In this session, let us learn about GCD, greatest common denominator. Finding GCD, greatest common denominator, is also known as HCF, highest common factor, is the biggest number that is the common factor of both of the numbers. See the example, find the HCF of the following two numbers 6 and 9. By using np.gcd function, the result is 3. Because that is the highest number, both numbers can be divided by 6 by 3 is equal to 2 and 9 by 3 is equal to 3. Finding GCD in arrays. To find the highest common factor of all values in an array, you can use the reduce method. The reduce method will use the unfunc, in this case the GCD function on each element, and reduce the array by one dimension. See the example, find the GCD of all the numbers in the following array. See, by using np.array and np.gcd.reducer method, the result is 4, because that is the highest number of all values can be divided by 4. Okay friends, this is the end of part 40, finding GCD. In next video, let us learn about another topic, trigonometric. If you like our program, please like, subscribe and press bell icon for our next part video updates. Thank you friends. Meet you in next video. All the best.